Hi, welcome to Tech Guy Reviews YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be sharing the 9 reasons we love the Dell XPS 17. Don't forget to check the links in the description to shop the products we mention on Amazon. Now, let's get started. Intro, exploring the features of the Dell XPS 17. XPS products are designed to elevate your modern lifestyle, combining cutting-edge technologies with exquisite craftsmanship, powerful features and unparalleled experiences. The latest addition is the XPS 17, our most powerhouse laptop yet for creative professionals looking to take their pursuits further than ever before. Featuring 11th General Intel Core processors and next-gen GeForce RTX 30 series graphics cards, this device also boasts an impressive display that offers superior brightness, clarity and color definition. No compromise necessary. Number 1. Display. Take your productivity to the next level with a 17:16:10 aspect ratio display. See every exacting detail when editing photos or viewing content, thanks to an available 4K plus resolution, 3840x2400. Number 2. Sleek design. The XPS 17 offers an evolution of the classic design. It places a bigger emphasis on immersive experiences with exciting new features like its larger display, improved keycaps and touchpad to enhance your everyday workflows. Number 3. Thunderbolt 4.0. Digital content creators can now enjoy the ease and convenience of one streamlined interface, combining lightning-fast data speeds, breathtaking video resolution, plus a handy power boost for powered devices. Number 4. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. Experience blazing fast graphics performance and uninterrupted play with 6GB GDDR6 of dedicated video memory. NVIDIA Optimus technology ensures a seamless balance between stutter-free visuals and fuel efficiency for your laptop, delivering an optimized gaming experience every time. Number 5. 16GB RAM. Smooth multitasking performance is possible with the latest DDR5 RAM, capable of effortlessly handling PC games and video editing software alongside your favorite programs or numerous browser tabs. Number 6. 1TB M.2PC NVMe SSD. Today's modern flash-based SSDs provide lightning-fast startup times and data access, not to mention silent operation with reduced battery drain due to minimal power draw. An added bonus is their lack of moving parts, resulting in greater reliability than traditional hard drives. Number 7. 12th generation Intel. For unmatched processing power and speed, the ultra-low voltage platform provides high efficiency with 14 cores delivering up to 20 times more performance. And when you need a burst of extra power for demanding workloads, Intel Turbo Boost technology kicks in seamlessly for optimal results. Number 8. 17-inch display. Windows 11 provides an intuitive finger touch navigation experience like no other. With a breathtaking 3840 by 2400 resolution display, your HD movies and games come to life with vivid color accuracy, all easily viewable thanks to its anti-reflective finish designed for optimal eye comfort. Number 9. Windows 11. Windows 11 is a total powerhouse of power and security. With its sleek new design, tools and sounds, your PC experience will be revolutionized by all the detailed improvements that have been thought out for you. Now it's more secure than ever before. Now, you may be asking, why is the Dell XPS 17 worth it? When it comes to choosing a laptop, the Dell XPS 17 stands out as an exceptional option. With its sleek design and powerful performance, it's easy to see why this laptop is worth the investment. One of its standout features is its stunning 17-inch display, providing users with a clear and vivid viewing experience. Additionally, the XPS 17 boasts a solid-state drive and up to 12th Gen Intel Core processors, giving users lightning-fast speed and seamless multitasking capabilities. The laptop also includes top-of-the-line audio and a comfortable keyboard, making it a great choice for both work and entertainment. Overall, the Dell XPS 17 offers a premium experience at a reasonable price point, making it a wise investment for anyone in the market for a high-quality laptop. Conclusion: the Dell XPS 17 is a great choice for anyone concerned about quality, good hardware performance, and elegant design. Design-wise, the laptop has an impressive look with an easy-to-use keyboard and trackpad, not to mention its reliable sound system and built-in webcam. If you're looking for high-performance power that won't burn a hole in your pocket, then take into consideration the many features discussed in this article. Finally, it is always best to consider financial situations as well as preferences before making any decisions. Consider what you need your laptop to do most and see if that fits with the available power and design of the Dell XPS 17 to make sure it is right for you.